It's Paul from Hobbylink International, and don't forget subscribe buttons down there somewhere, and then you'll get notified of future videos from myself and Kenny. Today I have a quick look at a decal sheet from Luftfahrtverlag Start. This is an accompaniment to the latest release on Jasta 14. So this is all about 1/32 scale albatrosses. Okay, so what do we get? So this is a decal set for Jasta 14 in 1/32. It covers the Albatros D.II's, 3's and 5's, which is predominantly what Jasta 14 were equipped with. Covers the period 1916 to 18, which is basically the whole of Jasta 14's existence. Now these decal options come from this book. This is Luftfahrtverlag Start's latest book. I'll do a review of this book. It should be published, I'm hoping, for maybe next weekend, maybe a little earlier, we'll see. But all the decal options are in here. There's more information about the aircraft in here as well, obviously the people who flew them. And interestingly, that's the other aircraft that Jasta 14 flew towards the end of the war, the Kaiser-decal one. So in the bag we get decal sheets, instructions. Instructions are 3 pages and double-sided. But the bit you're interested in here is the 9 decal options that are covered here. As it says here in English, the decal sheet contains individual markings for each aircraft, including any non-standard Balkenkreuzer that some aircraft have, like that one there is non-standard. That's towards the end of the war. Any that are standard, you can just use the decals that come with the kit. So you get the 9 options there from November 1916 through to August 1917. On the website, I've put a link underneath this, under this video there's a link to the website, and the descriptions of each aircraft, I've translated them into English so you can know exactly what they're saying. Over the page, just a bit about the book I just showed you, the Forgotten Ace, the book before that, Luftwaffe in Focus. I think there's a new one coming out soon. Now the decal options themselves, these are in 1/32 and you get 9 options. As I said, there's also 1/48 and 1/72 scale options. I'll put the link to Luftfahrtverlag Start's website underneath this video. To be honest, it's probably the best place to get them. The 1/48 and the 1/72, they have more decal options. Basically each decal sheet is exactly the same price, you just get more options on the smaller scales because obviously they can fit more on there. But these decals are all printed by Cartograph in Italy. Cartograph do very nice decals indeed. They're a quality sort of provider. The only backing film I can see is things like around the numbers or the text where things need to hold together. Other than that, and there's this one here, nice little, this was actually painted by somebody on the unit, and I know it wasn't official because this is I think this is supposed to be the Kaiser, but the red sash is in the wrong place. If the red sash shouldn't have been there to cover up the medals, it'd have gone over the other shoulder, I believe. And that's that. So pretty nice, neat little decal sheet for 1/32 albatrosses. I think there's 2 or 3 manufacturers of that. I'll mention the manufacturers of 1/32 albatrosses on the website article. But pretty neat. Well priced on Luftfahrtverlag Start's website. Many thanks to them for sending it along for us to have a look at.